Hello and welcome to another episode of the AIC Podcasts for Faculty, a series of short podcasts on the Academic Integrity Code to help faculty understand their role. I'm Scott Phillips, and I direct UAB Center for Teaching and Learning. And today I have with me Dr. Bradley Barnes, Vice Provost for Enrollment Management. Thank you for joining me today, Bradley.
Very good to be with you.
So by now, Bradley, many faculty have heard about the resolution agreement and the conference with the Academic Integrity Coordinator. Does the AIC include other ways that academic misconduct issues can be resolved?
Yes, the Academic Integrity Code actually includes 3 resolution options, and they vary depending on the circumstances. There's a resolution agreement between the instructor and the student, a referral to the coordinator for a conference with the student, and a resolution for the college and school-based academic integrity hearing panel.
Can you explain how these resolution processes differ?
Sure. Let's begin with the resolution agreement between the instructor and the student. Coordinators will authorize this form of resolution when the student has no prior record of academic misconduct. Coordinators will provide instructors with a resolution agreement template and a guide to evaluating the severity of academic misconduct. With these guidelines, the instructor will send 3 things to the student's official university email address. The first is notice of the academic dishonesty accusation. Second, a proposed meeting time. And finally, the link to the Academic Integrity Code. The instructor will then meet with the student and complete the resolution agreement template. After meeting with the instructor, the student must sign the document to accept the resolution agreement. All resolution agreements completed between instructors and students must be promptly reported to the coordinator by the instructor. The coordinator will file the signed resolution agreement with the student's record in Maxient. All cases resolved by a student's authorized resolution agreement with a referring instructor shall be final and not subject to further review.
Okay, but what if a student refuses to sign the resolution agreement?
If a student does not accept the resolution agreement or fails to participate in a resolution agreement within the allotted time frame, the case will be referred to the coordinator.
Okay, so what happens once the case is referred to the coordinator?
Upon referral to the coordinator first notifies the university registrar to place a hold on the student's account, indicating that the student cannot withdraw from the course in which the academic misconduct is alleged to have occurred until the misconduct resolution process is complete. If the student has no prior record of academic misconduct and the misconduct case will not result in suspension or expulsion, the coordinator will resolve the academic misconduct accusation in a conference with the student. However, if the student has a prior record of academic misconduct or the misconduct case can result in suspension or expulsion, the coordinator will refer the case to the Academic Integrity Hearing Panel.
And what do these panels consist of, and what does that process look like?
So we mentioned a moment ago that an Academic Integrity Hearing Panel must review cases of students with any prior findings of academic misconduct, all cases that may result in suspension or expulsion, but they may also be referred to a hearing panel due to issues of complexity, being a contested case, or for conflicts of interest. Hearing panels are comprised of 2 instructors and 1 student. The coordinator or designee shall be present as a non-voting procedural advisor to the chair of the hearing panel. The panel is constituted from the college or school's academic integrity board, in which the academic dishonesty is alleged to have occurred. The chair of the panel is appointed by the Academic Integrity Hearing Board.
How is the AIC hearing board different from the AIC hearing panel?
Well, there's certainly an important distinction to be made between the 2. Each college and school dean or designee is responsible for annually establishing a hearing board. This board will consist of 3 students and 4 instructors, faculty members, or course managers. The hearing board's membership will be used to populate the 3-person hearing panel. So the chair of the hearing board will be designated by the dean or dean's designee. The chair of the hearing panel will be appointed by the hearing board.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much for this information, Bradley. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.
For more information about UAB's Academic Integrity Code and the role of faculty, go to uab.edu/faculty.